2018 Alfa Romeo Stelvio review. From the way it looks to the way it drives, the Stelvio delivers what exactly you'd hope from an Italian SUV. The 2018 Alfa Romeo Stelvio will be the latest entry into your compact luxury crossover SUV crowd. It differentiates itself using an appeal to emotion and driving enjoyment. To that end, it boasts distinctive styling, an excellent engine, plus a name borrowed from your winding road in northern Italy. Though the name may appear a better fit over a sports car, the Stelvio baxes with sharp handling, accurate steering, plus an engine that's desperate to break speed limits. Indeed, Alfa Romeo has ensured that driving enthusiasts may find plenty to relish about this SUV, from outfitting sport trims with satisfying and big aluminium shift paddles to offering a rear-locking mechanical differential. The third vehicle Alfa Romeo provides during its get-back to the United States, the Stelvio is reliant largely for the Giulia sedan, sharing its powerful turbocharged four-cylinder engine, chassis and trim levels. Also like the Giulia, the Stelvio also are available in a high-performance, turbo V6-powered Quadrifoglio variant that is to be available early next season. Favoring sport means some trade-offs in relation to utility. The Stelvio is a bit smaller than the majority of the SUVs it competes against, producing a more compact second row and tighter cargo volume. Its towing capability falls within the low side, and it's also not that will go off-road. The interior is a little plain in comparison to other options. Still, the Stelvio's appeal rests on its special charm and character, as well as that we think it's worth your consideration. What's new? The Alfa Romeo Stelvio can be a new vehicle for 2018. While the 2018 Alfa Romeo Stelvio has an enjoyable experience by any means trim levels, the T outfitted using the Sport package represents the best of what this SUV offers. The T offers a more premium experience, adding more desirable interior materials and heating with the front seats and leader. The Sport package completes the event with supportive seats, good-looking 20-inch wheels, satisfying shift paddles, and also your choice of red, black or yellow brake calipers. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Alfa Romeo is really a compact, all-wheel drive crossover luxury SUV that's for sale in three variants: a base Stelvio, luxury-oriented T and high-performance Quadrifoglio, which will be available early buy. The solidly equipped base and T models contain a turbocharged 2.0-litre inline four-cylinder 280 horsepower, 306 pound-feet of torque with an 8-speed automatic with all-wheel drive. The Quadrifoglio is really a different animal entirely, featuring its stiffer suspension tuning, stickier tires and Ferrari drive twin-turbocharged 2.9-litre V6 505 horsepower, 443 pound-feet of torque. The base Stelvio comes standard with features, for example 18-inch wheels, adaptive suspension dampers, Brembo brakes, xenon headlights, roof rails, an electric liftgate, keyless ignition and entry, dual-zone automatic climate control, ambient interior lighting, leather upholstery, 10-way power adjustable front seats and adjustable drive settings. Technology features add a large driver information display, a 6.5-inch central touchscreen, a rear-view camera, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support, 4 USB ports, 2 in front and 2 charge-only ports for rear passengers, plus an 8-speaker audio system. The T includes more standard equipment, including 19-inch wheels, front parking sensors, an 8.8-inch touch screen, satellite radio, heated front seats and also a heated controls. A Sport package, designed for both trims, adds larger diameter wheels, 19 inches for base, 20 inches with the T, different exterior and interior trim, paddle shifters and stiffer suspension tuning. On top of that, The T gains sport front seats with power-adjustable bolsters. A T-specific performance package light availability adds a driver-adjustable adaptive suspension as well as a rear mechanical locking limit slip differential, while a T-Lasso package adds upgraded front seats, additional leather upholstery and upgraded interior trim. Additional precautionary features are available through separate static and dynamic driver assistance packages. The former adds blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert and auto-dimming mirrors. The latter includes adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning and mitigation, lane departure warning and auto-high beams. A convenience package adds a variable rail cargo system, 115-volt auxiliary power and cargo net, and is particularly available with or without having a hands-free liftgate. Both the base and T present you with a similar pool of standalone options offering navigation, Harman Kardon audio, a dual-pan sunroof, plus a variety of wheel types and exterior colors. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically is available in multiple versions which are fundamentally similar. The S within this review derived from our first drive on the 2018 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Turbo 2.0 litres inline-4, 8-speed automatic, AWD. Driving. From a robust turbocharged engine to quick, precise steering, the Stelvios concentrate on driving engagement will make your commute more memorable. Still, a small hesitation when excel coming from a stop plus a vague brake pedal feel may be annoying for most drivers. Comfort. The Stelvio's sporty intentions doesn't come with all the expected penalties to ride quality. Higher spec T trims growing comfortable and 12-way adjustable seats, although the second row might appear cramped to larger passengers. Interior. The flamboyance from the exterior doesn't continue inside. Available wood and aluminium trims include a sense of luxury, nevertheless the overall impression is almost plain. You'll find richer interiors inside most competitors. Utility. The Stelvio's compact dimensions mean this doesn't have the maximum amount of cargo space as many with the SUVs in their segment. Its tow reaches the lowest from the group, which is not meant to go off-road. Technology. A rotary controller and easy graphics of the entertainment system very easy to navigate, although it could use a back button. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay functionality arrive in the fall. Models sold until then will not be able to upgrade.